Hello and welcome to this Price a Job tutorial. In this video, we'll take a look at how to edit your report headers. In Price a Job, you can access a variety of reports by clicking here on the left-hand pane, the Reports tab. And for each of these reports, Price a Job allows you to create a customized header. Here we see the header displayed on a cover page and on a cover letter. On each of the following reports, such as the quote, we have a customizable header as well as customizable project information. And to edit these, it's as simple as clicking on the button Edit Header. This opens the Edit Header window, and we can start by clicking the Edit logo. And this opens the default logo. So to upload your company logo, simply click Upload Logo, and you can upload your logo from your computer system. If your logo has any negative space around it, you can use this cropping frame to adjust the amount of space. So let's remove some of this negative space and limit it just to our logo. And then save. And this enlarges our logo somewhat. Alternatively, you can edit the logo and just use your mouse to click on an area and only choose the area of logo that you wish to have cropped. So for example, we might want to have a stylized logo, something like this. And save. So you can play with this as you wish. We also have a templates drop-down menu here, and here we can choose to put our logo on the left, on the right, on the center, choose from any previous templates that we might have saved, or create a new template. So let's create a new template here, and we can customize our logo by moving it to the left, to the top center, the bottom center, or to the right. Just for something different, let's put our logo on the left this time. And if we want to, we can even hide our logo by deselecting the Show Logo button. We'll leave our logo displayed. Then we can align our text to the left, centered, or right. And the centered text looks quite nice, so we'll leave it like that. And we can change the font from Roboto to Helvetica, Times New Roman to Arial. And we can change the font color. And there's a variety of colors here to choose from. And we can select one that looks right for our brand. I think the red will probably match our logo. Then if we want to add any new lines to our header here, we can do so by clicking Add Line. And then we can just fill in that line here. Say, thank you for your business. And if we'd like to import any of our company details, we can do so by clicking Import here. And this opens our company setup window. And here we can input any company details from the Company tab, Project tab, Project version, Customer tab, or Reports tab. So for example, let's go back to the Company tab and let's import our company VAT number. And here we see that our VAT number has been added to the bottom of our header here. However, it's not identified as a VAT number, which makes it seem a little bit confusing. So what we can do is we can click on this line to open the field options, and we can select Show Title. And this now displays as the company VAT number. And we can do the same thing for our phone numbers up here. It's not clear which one is our main line, so we can go ahead and click on these to show title for both, and we see clearly which one is our telephone and mobile numbers. But now our header is starting to look a little bit messy. So we can reorganize this by using the grab lines here and dragging our various fields down to the areas that we wish them to be. So we'll move these ones down to the bottom. And thank you for your business will be at the very bottom. And maybe our company website, we can also move that lower down. And when we're done making our changes, we can go ahead and save. And we can either replace our existing templates or we can create a new one. So let's go ahead and create a new one. We'll call this one the Style template. So we'll go ahead and save that. And now for any of our projects, when we return to the Reports tab, we can simply go to the Header Template drop-down menu here and select from the various options. Logo left, logo right, centered, or we can choose from our previously saved templates, including the new style template that we just designed. And if we decide that we want to restore our logo, say for example, let's go back into Edit Header, we can change any of this information that we wish, reorganize our lines or do anything that we want. But for now, let's go ahead and edit our logo and let's just restore that back to full size. And save that, and save the template, and we'll replace the style template with this new version. And we can see that by cropping our template, that has affected all these other templates as well. Logo on left, logo on right, centered, and style. Now let's take a look at editing the project information. To do so, we click Edit Project. And again, we have a templates drop-down menu here that we can select from, either detailed, simple, quote, or my saved templates. So let's start with detailed and customize this. We have the option of having either a single column or two, and we can align the text for each of these. For the left-hand column, we can do left-aligned text, centered text, or right-aligned text. And for the second column, we can do left-aligned, centered, or right-aligned. We can also change the fonts here from Roboto to Helvetica to Times New Roman to Arial, and again, change the colors to whatever we feel is appropriate for this report. We'll stick with black for the project information. And if we wish to add any lines to either the left-hand column or the right, we can do so by clicking the Add Line buttons here. And we can fill in these blank fields any way we wish. Just say, as discussed, and please notify of changes in writing. And if we wish to import details from our company setup page, we can simply click Import. And the same as we saw with the header, we can import details from the Company tab, Project version, Customer, or Report. So let's go ahead and import something from a project version. We'll go ahead and import the job number. And in the right-hand column, we'll import the job date. And now we can see that we've actually duplicated the job number several times here, and we don't need all these job numbers listed so many times. So let's go ahead and click on any of these and delete this line, and do the same thing with this one. Go ahead and delete that line. And then to move any of these fields, just as we saw with the header, we can click on the drag handles here and move that field to wherever we wish it to be. When we're done, click Save, and we can either create a new template or replace an existing one. In this case, we will create a new template, and we'll just call this Info Template, and save. Now, anytime we return to our Reports tab for any project, we can simply go to the Project Information drop-down menu here and select the new Info Template that we just saved. Or there's also the default templates, detailed, simple, quote, and any other templates that we've previously saved. And that's how to customize your report headers and project information details. Thank you for using Pricer Job.